A lot of people are talking about affiliate marketing. A lot of people are dumbfounded on how affiliate marketing works. So, and this has become a very big topic in the internet world nowadays, whereby a lot of persons don't know where to start this affiliate marketing from. A lot of persons are skeptical. A lot of people ask questions like, what is affiliate marketing? How do affiliate marketing works? These are questions that I'm going to answer in this video today. So just stay tuned with me to the end so I can answer this question one by one. My name is Sylvester Izuyo, and what I do in this channel, I teach us money making tips, and also I give us tutorials on skills in order to make money online. So one of those skills is WordPress website design, which I will be starting on the channel very soon. So that's what I do in this channel. So I also have a course I'll be giving out, and which I'll be bringing out, and it's going to be discounted for the first 10 people who is going to register before the course is out. So the course will be discounted for those first 10 people at 50%. So just stay tuned. The link is at my bio below, where you can register for this course. This course is a full-blown course on making money online. It's as a freelancer, so it touches 2 freelancing websites, which you are going to see in the course. So just stay tuned, and just click the link in the description below, fill in the form, and get yourself registered so that you get discounted when this particular course is out. So with that being said, if you know you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and also click on the notification button so you get notified anytime I release a new video. And also like this video if you see that I'm giving value along the line in this video. So with that being said, today's topic, we're talking about affiliate marketing. All about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is in a lab. Can you actually make money from affiliate marketing? These are questions I'll be answering in this video. So the first we'll be going towards is, okay, what is affiliate marketing? So, and a lot of people have been asking this question, what's affiliate marketing? How does affiliate marketing works? And one thing I'll tell you about is affiliate marketing is when a retailer is paid a commission for driving traffic to a particular product. Yes, if a retailer is paid a particular commission to drive traffic to a particular product, that's what we call affiliation. So the retailer affiliates with a particular company and try to drive traffic to that company and make that company have sales. Once these companies are making sales, the retailers start getting commission, and this commission are high. Some companies pay you as high as $50 per sale to drive. Some companies pay you as high as $69. So this is how this affiliate marketing works: is you getting a little commission from based on the particular traffic you drive to this particular business. And some affiliate network we do one time with you, like based on that customer, any customer buy once, while some are recurring, which is a monthly, because you have some platform that people subscribe monthly to. So as people are subscribed to this platform, every month you get your commission to yourself. So that's on that way some persons make good money online. Okay, so with that being said about affiliate marketing, so now I'll be going to how does this affiliate marketing works. So that's the next question: how do affiliate marketing works? A lot of persons ask this question, which I'll be answering. First of all, you recommend products. Yes, the first thing you do, you recommend product or service to your followers. So yeah, if you have your followers online, people that are reading your newsletter, people that are on your YouTube channel, people that are on your blog, you recommend a product to them, and these followers through your website. And when these followers, your website, your blog, email letter, and everything, so when these people get to follow up with this particular service, anybody that buys from these people, the particular platform, okay, let's not forget, these people track your traffic. So on registering on this particular platform, they give you a link, and this link, you're going to use this link. This is the link you will use in traffic. So anybody that passes through your link, that goes through your link to their platform, you are registered, and the person registered. Some people give a 60 days window, some people give a 30 days window. On that, within that 30 days, any product this person buys from your store, from that particular person, or any service that this particular person orders from this particular platform, you are getting your commission on that person. So that's one way in which you can in which affiliate marketing works. So another way affiliate marketing works is your followers. Normally, yes, it's normal. I've talked about how your followers I'll talk about how your followers purchase through your affiliate link, which is the styles, which is how it works, and thirdly, you get paid a commission on any sales using that particular affiliate link, which I talked about too. So that is just how these things work. So you see, with this little breakdown now, you already understand how affiliate marketing works. First, you have to recommend product to this particular people, your followers. Secondly, your followers purchase this particular product, and any of them are purchase this particular product through your link. Then the next, you get paid for people that who purchase this product through your link. Like any of your followers who purchase this product through your link, you get paid for that. Even though that your followers send that link to somebody else and that person walked through that link, the same thing happens. You get commission for somebody buying through your link. So that is the little the shorts of how affiliate marketing works. So let's break down the processes into more detailed process, so that you get to know how exactly you can be successful in marketing. So, but I will quickly look at two strategies you will need before, like two things, and not sorry, I mean two things you will need before you start your affiliate marketing business, which a lot of affiliate marketers will not be transparent to you. A lot of people are trying to sell their courses to you, will not be transparent to you. First of all, let's look at what you need to do. The first thing you need to do is the first thing to do to start an affiliate marketing is you need to create a website or a blog in your niche. Yes, because if you are trying to promote a particular product, there's to be that particular product is under a particular niche. Okay, imagine I'm trying to promote a product that's an hosting company product. So what I'm going to be talking about is mostly I'm talking about how you can make money online, and I'll tell you how you can build your website, and also I'll tell you where you can get your hosting in order to build your website. And start talking about how to build a blog, how to start your own blog, and tell you, okay, fine, in order to start your blog, you need a website, and then I will now have to direct you to that particular platform where, okay, go and buy your hosting for the particular platform, and with that, when you are using my link, I get commission. So that is how these things work. It's very straightforward. You create a website or a blog in your niche. And secondly, you are going to choose the affiliate product to promote, which I just talked about. You are going to choose the kind of product you think you will sell on your particular niche. So if you are into weight loss, you are going to look for product into weight loss that you can sell to your followers, because this is something that this is why these people are on your particular platform, and that is the main reason they were going to follow you. That's the main reason they are going to want to buy it, because this is what you talk about, and recommending something based on what you talk about, these people will be very, very eager to actually work with that. So that is that to that. So first of all, when we talk about creating a website or blog for your niche, so that is the first thing you need to do to make money with affiliate marketing. The first thing you need to do is a website. Yes, you need to get a website, because when it comes to building your website, you have tons of options, and it's very, very recommended. It's very, very recommended. You have tons of options in order to make sales with make sales as an affiliate marketing. So most times we do this with WordPress websites. Anyone can quickly build a professional website with WordPress. So this particular WordPress will be in our course too. I'm going to teach you how you're going to build a website through with WordPress. This is one thing I'm going to be putting in a course, which I'm telling you. So before that course comes out, kindly register so you get the discounted price from this particular course. Use the link in my bio below, and you get a discount from that particular course. So with that being said, let's continue with our tutorial. So after creating a website, the next thing you need to do is you have to choose your affiliate product to promote. So if you have done the work in choosing your building your website and choosing your niche, the niche you want to be, if you see it's the weight loss niche you want to be, so now you have to look for how to choose your product. So there are a lot of places you can choose your product from, a lot of online affiliate platform you can actually choose your product from, so which they are versatile there online. So just the first thing, so one of the best ways in order to list your affiliate program is by joining affiliate networks. Yes, in order to start building your affiliate business, first of all you have to join affiliate network. That's the first thing you need to do, and that is what actually will grow your business, and you're able to connect you with merchants who have goods and you have to sell. So you're like, you have the normal Amazon affiliates, whereby you register and you have to promote people's product and the rest for an affiliate on Amazon. That is one part too. So the next thing is, okay, now I'm asking you, how do you make money with affiliate marketing? So I've talked about the two things you need to put in place in affiliate marketing. So now I'm going to talk about how do you make money from affiliate marketing. So now that you have your website, you have joined this affiliate network, and after joining your affiliate network, you now have the right ways to start monetizing, like making money from your blog or through affiliate marketing. So how do you make money? So that's what we're talking about now. The first step you need to know in how to make money is creating a content that generates affiliate revenue. Yes. So how do you create this content? So you have to be deliberate about creating this content, because a lot of persons will just create a random content out there, give it to their subscribers and or the people reading their content, and just leave it like that. But that is not how you have to. You have to strategize your content. Be intentional in your content. Like if imagine I'm talking about weight loss. So first of all, my topic should not be going. If I'm talking about weight loss, I should not start talking about how to. I should not start talking about how to get a girl how to woo a girl. That is a different topic. That is under relationship niche. So you can sell product under. You can put links, or you can do your affiliate through that particular part. So when it comes to you working with affiliate marketing, you have to, in your website, you need to work on your niche. Like if I'm creating content, I want my content to be based on that niche, because at the end of the day, I want to sell something to my audience. So how do I sell something to my audience that is not related to what I want or related to my niche? So how do I sell this thing to them? So you easily sell this thing to them when everything you're talking about in your niche is what is centered around that particular product. If I'm talking about an article that is talking about how to lose weight in 20 days. So if I have selling a product that make these people lose weight. Okay, let me look at the strategy now. I'm telling you how to lose weight in 30 days. When I tell you how to lose weight in 30 days, I write a lot of articles. The article now, I might not tell you, okay, fine. In order for you to lose weight, in order to not to do this stress of losing weight in 30 days or 20 days, I have a product that will make you to lose weight without exercise, without any headaches and anything. I have that product that will make you lose weight in 5 days. So a lot of people now say, okay, instead of me going towards buying these products that instead of me to go towards the route of stressing myself for 20 days, why don't I buy this product that will make me lose weight in 5 days without doing any exercise and without doing anything? So are you seeing the way people will now start rushing that product? That is the strategy. Now your content now is telling them do this, and that content now you're not telling them, okay, instead of doing this that will take a long time, why don't you just do this? You see, it's the same niche, and a lot of persons who want to buy that product. That is one of the strategies in affiliate marketing. So you see that it's very, very straightforward and it's very, very nice. So that is that. So step 2 is promote your affiliate product in your content. That's on that way you can make money as an affiliate marketer. Promote it in your content. So I've told you, first of all, what the first thing I told you was you create this content to generate affiliate revenue, and first thing I told you is how you strategize your content, isn't it? So second way is now you promote your affiliate product in this content. So creating your affiliate product in this content, make sure it's, when you put this link, make sure it's relevant in that particular area in your content, and not make it too much in your content, and actually make your affiliate link come quick. So don't start putting your affiliate link maybe at the end of your content, or put it at the beginning, like maybe after a first paragraph you put it there, and you're going to learn it, you're going to see it. It will be obvious, and a lot of persons is going to be able to generate or follow your link, and you'll be able to generate good income from that. So with that being said, before I continue, I want to still tell you again, I have a course coming up. This particular course is coming up very soon. I'm working on a course, but before this course comes out, I want to have a good number of people interested in this course. So if you know you've been interested in my Make Money Online as a Freelancer course, I'm going to be treating 2 platforms you can use, and I'm going to be teaching you how to work with the WordPress website. And so it's very full packed. So in order to get a discount when this course comes out, I want you to register with the link below in the description below. Register, put your details in that link, submit it, so I will see that you are interested. So when this course comes out, you are going to be getting a 50% discount from this course. And if I see that I have a good number of people who have registered, I'm going to be giving more discounts higher than the normal 50% discount in order to get this course. So that does that for that. I'm continuing with the video. So we've talked about the second way to promote your product in your content, your affiliate product in your content, is following these steps I've told you about, making it come quick, and don't make it to be too much, and make it relevant to your content, isn't it? Yes. So at the end of this video now, I want to give us a few tips that most of us, a few tips that entails when it comes to placing your content, when it comes to placing your affiliate link. Number 1, the first thing I'll tell you, only link where appropriate. Don't have affiliate link in where you don't need a particular link. Like, okay, your content is coming now, so you are not able to refer to that particular affiliate link in that particular phase. You just put it there. So you have already disjoint everything. You have created a break with the reader, and the reader might find that very, very offensive. The reader might be offended for just doing that. So first thing you need to do is you are going to actually look for a way, like make a flow. Don't just put your link, just make a flow. So when you're talking about, okay, look, imagine, okay, fine, okay, you're talking about a lot of persons will find my affiliate link, maybe you're talking about a lot in your content, you're talking about a lot of persons do find losing weight with exercise stressful, and that is why I'm going to recommend a particular product which I have used myself, or which I have stated and have proven to be true, because audience will not want to buy if they've not known that, okay, this thing works. So you are trying to give them confidence and telling them, okay, this thing works, and at the end of the day you're not trying to tell them, okay, fine, you can actually buy, you can actually visit the link to look at this product and see what this product can do for you. Like that, now you've make a connection. There was a connection because you're trying to tell them, okay, if you cannot use the 20 days exercise practice I've told you, why don't you just get my product? So you have seen there's a connection in the article, and it's not offensive because users will read into that, and most time they will take action. So you can see there's a connection, but unless maybe you're just talking about, okay, fine, lose weight in 20 days, and when you're able to lose weight in 30 days, this height will be, then you now put your link. It will not just go where it's have to have a connection. So the next thing the next tips I'm going to be showing you again are add links as early as possible. This is what a lot of persons fail to do. You don't add links as early as possible. You're waiting to the tail end of your article. A lot of people don't even read to the end of your article. A lot of people don't even read to the middle. So after the first paragraph, make sure your affiliate link is, look for a way to write your content that your affiliate link can be placed immediately in your first paragraph. So like that, now most people won't take action. People will not even continue again. They'll just tell you, okay, since I can actually lose weight without doing this exercise 20 days, and there's a product that, let me just click and view this product. From there, a lot of people are interested and just take the product. Or let's not align it to read through your article to the end, or watch your content to the end before you now start telling them about your affiliate. It won't make sense. So that is just that. And the next one I'm going to do, get more out of your website space. Say like you should put more. Like put more affiliate link in your website place. Don't just make it this thing. Make it, put different places. You can have a floating bar, you have inner bars, inner banners. I mean floating banner. You have inner banners and the rest on your website. So these things happen. These things help very well. So with this, what I've said, I hope you actually learn something from this video. If you actually learned something from this video, kindly click on the like button, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button so that you get notified anytime I release a new video. And don't forget to register for this course, the course which will be coming out very soon, my masterclass on my freelancing work masterclass. So this freelancing work masterclass is going to give you a lot that you need to know about freelancing and how you can start making money from freelancing. Even though you don't have a skill, you don't have any skill with that, I already told you I'll be treating a skill in that particular course, so you can actually learn that skill and start giving that skill out as a freelancer. So don't worry, this particular video, this particular course which I'm bringing out will be very, very packed and future packed, so you are going to learn a lot. So just go to the link below the description, register, and I will see that you have interest in it. So when the courses are, I give you your discounts, and you are going to love it, and you are going to at least come back for more information, because you are going to see the impact of having the course in your day-to-day growth online. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.